Here's some Piedmont-Sardinia trivia. Subscribe. Which city is the capital of Piedmont? Is it A, Genoa, B, Bologna, C, Turin, or D, Milan? The correct answer is C, Turin. Which river runs through Turin? Is it A, Thames River, B, Seine River, C, Tiber River, D, Po River? The correct answer is D, Po River. What is the primary language spoken in Piedmont? Is it A, French, B, German, C, Spanish, or D, Italian? The correct answer is D, Italian. Which famous Italian car manufacturer is based in Turin? Is it A, Maserati, B, Ferrari, C, Lamborghini, or D, Fiat? The correct answer is D, Fiat. What is the name of the famous chocolate from Turin? Is it A, Torrone, B, Gianduiotto, C, Ferrero Rocher, or D, Baci Perugina? The correct answer is B, Gianduiotto. Which royal house was associated with Piedmont? Is it A, House of Bourbon, B, House of Savoy, C, House of Lancaster, or D, House of Habsburg? The correct answer is B, House of Savoy. What is the traditional dish made with rice from this region? Is it A, fried rice, B, biryani, C, risotto, or D, sushi? The correct answer is C, risotto. Which Italian mountain area is a popular ski resort? Is it A, Abruzzo, B, Sestriere, C, Liguria, or D, Trentino? The correct answer is B, Sestriere. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.